Hi there, I'm Harris from PM Music Center located in Aurora, Illinois, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about how to make a sound on a trombone and a baritone. The trombone and the baritone are lower instruments in the brass family, and all instruments in the brass family produce their sounds by a technique called buzzing. A buzz is created by putting your lips into a mouthpiece and blowing air through it. Let's set up what's called our embouchure. The trombone and the baritone use the same mouthpiece, as shown by this visualizer. First, set the mouthpiece on your lips so that the upper half is filled with your upper lip, and the lower half is filled with your lower lip. Make sure not to press too hard, or it'll prevent your lips from moving freely. Next, imagine your tongue being low in your mouth. If your tongue is too high, it'll prevent you from creating a solid stream of air. Finally, imagine frowning into the mouthpiece, so that way you create firm corners and a flat chin. Blow air through your embouchure and here's what it sounds like on a real mouthpiece. Remember your lip placement, tongue position, and firm corners with a flat chin. Now that we've practiced buzzing, you can put your mouthpiece into the trombone, and using your slide, it should sound like this. Or, if you play the baritone, you can put your mouthpiece into your instrument, and using your valves, it'll sound like this.